Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll show you guys how to cancel sent friend request on Facebook. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to tap on my Facebook application. So when you tap on that, you're going to see the friends tab. Okay, go ahead and click on the friends tab, and then here you have to click on friend request. Okay, just go ahead and tap on friend request. So if you click on friend request, you're going to see that you have a three-dot icon at the top of your friend request area. Tap on the three-dot icons. So when you tap on it, you go ahead and tap on view sent request. So you're gonna tap on that, and then here you can see a lot of accounts that have sent friend request in the previous weeks and years. Okay, you can see 1 year ago. So what I will start to do now is to start to cancel the accounts one after the other. So this is it I'm already doing, so that's it. So when you're done with the cancellation, you have to refresh. Then if you refresh, you see that you have no sent request again. So that's how you can do this. If you think this video was useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more important videos like this. Okay, make sure to drop your comment below this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and then bye bye.